Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We're here in Balochistan. Because of the heavy rainfall and floods, people are suffered with huge problems. Their homes been vanished, their village been destroyed, their farms been destroyed. And because of the rainfall and floods, the clean water is mixed with the contaminated and dirty water. And because of that, they're suffering with huge diseases like skin diseases, diarrhea, and many more diseases. We had a problem in setting up a medical camp, but alhamdulillah, Park Aid Welfare Trust finally set up a medical camp here in Balochistan to help out the people who are suffering with the different diseases. You can focus right here, we have a doctor and we're providing him with a medicine and with a medical treatment. I just want to thank the whole donors who help out and who are sending us money again, but still we need more help. I just want to thank the volunteers who are doing great job in this hot weather here in Balochistan. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.